Hey, if you want to set up Face ID on Redmi 14C, first of all open settings. Now you will have to go for fingerprints, face data and the screen lock, and select face unlock. Now you will have to draw your screen lock or input your screen lock. Now you have to make sure that all parts of your face aren't covered by objects and are clearly visible, and your face should be well lit as well. So now you'll have to click start and put your face in front of the selfie camera. Now after this information disappears, click next. There we go. And as you can see, right now it is finished. You can even name this face setup, then click done. And now you can even add another face. So yeah, that will be all, and thanks for watching.